why you need to change your boxing stance in a fight. Let me just say, I'm not propagating the idea that you have to be able to fight in both stances. That's difficult. What I'm saying is you have to be ability to do something, to be able to protect yourself, to throw basic punches in the opposite stance. Let me tell you 4 reasons for it. At number 1, it simply makes you more versatile and unpredictable. Imagine being a football player who can only play with one feet. That's what you are if you can only box from an orthodox stance. Second of all, changing stance allows you to change the fight dynamics. So when I'm in my normal stance, this is my fast hand, jab, this is my power hand, cross. But imagine I have a guy who's very slow and I'm landing every jab. What I could do is switch, and now every time I land a jab, I land power jab. So it changes and rotates the fight. At number 3, remember that styles makes fights. Sometimes you can lose to the guy who's worse than you because just his style doesn't match you. That can happen. I know a guy from my gym in Poland who beats me 100 times out of 100 when we fight or spar, but the moment we fight in a southpaw, I'm winning. So ability to adjust that little thing might actually win you a fight. Lastly, at number 4, it simply makes it difficult for your opponent to adjust. If you keep switching or switch sometimes, he's gonna have to switch, or at least switch his game plan, and that might allow you to win. So now you know.